holding the trigger though, it'll tell you when it's done. Oh, see now that, here it's saying, start release before end of weld. It knows the weld is not done correctly.
Okay.
It's telling you released the trigger too soon.
Oh, it beeps.
That's fine.
Yeah, so you have to keep holding it.
Even after the beeps?
So now it's, yeah,
Okay.
so it will do another weld, but that's the nice part of this machine. It really makes sure
Okay.
it's welded. Wow. You'll see it. It really, see how it
Oh, I
got
see.
there, now it melted it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the beauty of this machine. I'll let you handle it because it's probably hot with the gloves if you want. But you can see the two different welds.
Yeah.
The bottom one is really strong.
Yeah, the other one didn't get hot.
You can hear it. The other one, so that's the beauty of this machine. Others you might be welding and you think they're good, but they're not. This tells you right there, hey,